Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is tamarind soup from Indonesia and we call it as Sayur Asem. So again, this is tamarind soup. It is very refreshing for summer day, for winter days, whenever. We love it as is, but perfect obviously with rice because that's how Indonesians serve it, with rice. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So these are long beans, snake beans. Just slice them into pieces. Also quarter of a large cabbage. You can rip them or slice them. And we're gonna soak them a bit, like 5 minutes, or just rinse them thoroughly. So we're gonna boil half kilogram of beef cubes in enough water before we proceed with the recipe. You want to scoop away the scum using slotted spoon. Continue boiling until the beef are tender or halfway tender. We're gonna make a paste of 1 large shallot, 1 bird eye chili, super generous pinch of shrimp paste, hard shrimp paste, 2.5 of candle nut, and 3 garlic. Meanwhile, soak a thumb of tamarind in hot water, and we're gonna use the tamarind juice for the soup. Now we're gonna drop in our veggies. In Indonesia, we use whole corn that we just sliced, but I don't have corn yet because it's still spring here, so I'm gonna use canned corn. We're gonna boil these veggies until tender, especially the long bean. If you want, you can also add tahu pong. We call it tahu pong, tofu pong, or tahu pong. If you want, you can add many things into tamarind soup. Drop in the paste, and we're gonna season it with mushroom granules or just salt, sugar, and MSG if you like. And not forgetting our juice, tamarind juice. In Indonesia, we use only the tamarind juice, but of course, every country, Asian country, produce their own style of tamarind. Although it's only tamarind and salt, somehow this tamarind that I'm using at the moment or today is not that strong. It doesn't really produce strong tamarind flavor, so I drop a couple of seeds in them instead, just the juice, to make it stronger tamarind flavor.